This is the HOYOKI Link PD Pro USB-C hub, and it says more connection, more innovation. Go green with HOYOKI. There you can see the model and the Amazon number and the SKU, made in China. Looks like it's Shenzhen, China. So here's a model number up here. It's the CBC92. And let's go ahead and open this up. All right, apparently there's a HOYOKI fans club that you can join. And here's the user manual for this hub in various languages. Here you can see some of the key specs here. The important things are the ports. So you get an Ethernet port. You have 3 USB 3.1 Gen 1 data ports. You get a USB-C data port. There's a USB-C connector cable that comes out of it, and also HDMI, SD and micro SD card slots, and a USB-C power delivery port there. As far as the specs go, I think the interesting things are the power delivery input supports up to 100 watts, and that's DC 5 volt to 20 volt, 5 amps. The USB data port output supports 5 volt, 900 milliamps max. So if you're looking at using it for device charging, you're at most going to get 900 milliamps out of the ports. USB-C 5 gigabits per second. The HDMI supports 4K 30 Hz refresh rate. It says that the SD and micro SD card capacity supports up to 2 terabytes of storage. All right. And that is it for English. Let's go ahead and take a look at the actual hub. That's all there is there. Remove it from the plastic protective cover. There you go. So it's got rounded edges here. It's a little bit squared off here at the end where you can see the gigabit Ethernet port. Here are the USB 3.0 ports, 3 of them, and a USB 3 Type-C port. Again, you can see the model number there, CBC92, made in China. You can see how long this cable is. So if you need to plug it into your laptop, that's how much cord you have to work with there. And the end of it, of course, is USB-C. Okay. Take a look at the other side of the ports here. So we have HDMI, SD, micro SD, and the USB-C power delivery port there. So that just supports power. You plug your power adapter in there to charge your laptop. And that is all there is to it. So that is the HOYOKI USB-C hub.